Found something you love while scrolling through Instagram and wish you could use Klarna? In this video, I'll show you the 2 ways to pay with Klarna on Instagram shopping. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Buying directly on Instagram is super convenient, and with Klarna, it's budget-friendly too. Let's get you checked out. The first and easiest method is when Klarna is directly integrated. When you're ready to buy from a brand's Instagram shop, proceed to checkout. Look carefully at the payment options. If you see the Klarna logo, you're in luck. Just select it, and you'll be prompted to log into your Klarna account to complete the purchase with your Pay in 4 plan, all without leaving the Instagram app. Now, if you don't see Klarna as a direct option, don't click away just yet. This is where the second method comes in. Note down the exact name of the product and the store. Then, open your web browser and go to that store's official website directly. Here's the pro tip. Many of these brands use Shopify or another platform that supports Klarna on their main site. Once you're on their website, add the item to your cart. At checkout, look for the Klarna option. If it's there, you can complete your purchase using your Klarna account as you normally would. Alternatively, you can use the Klarna app itself as a shopping browser. Open the Klarna app, tap the search or shopping tab, and type in the store's name. If the store partners with Klarna, you can browse their items and check out directly through the app, which will apply your payment plan. And that's how you unlock Klarna for your Instagram finds. A little detective work can save you a lot. If this helped you snag that must-have item, please give the video a like. What's the coolest thing you've ever bought from an Instagram ad? Share your finds in the comments. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel, because next we're looking at how to link Klarna to PayPal. Thanks for watching.